What's up?
Is this a vlog? Oh my god, are you on YouTube? Sorry.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're up at Mountain Creek on North Peak right now. We got Dan and Michelle. Michelle's back. Oh my god, we're so happy. So we're starting on North Peak. It's kind of early, and then we're gonna head over to Granite South. We're just gonna mess around all day.
We're gonna get Starbucks later. That's the only reason I care.
We will get Starbucks later, I guess. Let's start riding. Dude, you look so good on the board. Like, you look so much more comfortable. Look at our squad. Yo, the squad rolls deep. What up? The one guy's ski popped up and she picked it up and I grabbed it. And I was like, I'm taking this thing home. I started to ride past him. He was like, no. Slice of dice. Slice of dice. What up, boys and girls? Nice, dude. We're good at this. So taking a few runs over on Granite. It's really fun today. Conditions are very soft, kind of slushy. All the like fresh snow has become like this compact, soft garbage, and it's interesting. But you know, describe myself. we'll take it. And my boy Ryan and his friends showed up, so yeah, we're kind of cruising with them, and yeah, it's gonna be sick today. We're having a good time, right, Dan? Yeah. You having a good time, Michelle?
Yeah.
What was that?
Ganging up on Granite.
Next rap album. Like
we didn't even plan it. Hit the snow so hard.
Save the planet.
Yep.
Hey! You want to fight?
Yeah.
All right. You guys want to say anything to the video?
I got the shot last night.
Yeah? Yeah. That's what you have to say to the video?
My mom stabbed me, actually.
What? Is your mom a nurse or something?
Yeah, she's a nurse. She was working in the clinic. She stabbed me.
Oh, God. Family problems, am I right?
Family problem.
By the way, guys, I'm doing this whole thing with one foot strapped in. Just a little practice. You never know, you're gonna need to do exactly this. So I recommend doing it when you have a chance. Just get comfortable. Just use your front foot a lot to steer, and don't lean too much on your back foot. This section's a little quick, so I'm gonna be real careful here. Not too bad. I know, but you're... Wow, what does it feel like? Hey, Dan. That was sick. I have claimed this land.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It's my land.
I guess I'm visiting.
Yeah, fair enough.
Do you mind?
You want an AT?
Can I have a visa?
No, can't stay.
Oh.
I just want to give you guys an update of what's going on. Got Michelle over here on the lift with me. Brian and Dan are up ahead a few lifts, and we're going up south. We've been over here for a few runs, switching between South and Bear, Red Tail, and a bunch of different trails. Really fun. We're gonna take a quick run down Canyon, take the lift back to Granite, and ride around over there and at North if it's not too busy, and then call it a day. So it's been a perfect day. We got the sun peeking through a little bit finally.
Yay.
That's it. You have anything to say?
No, I'm hungry.
She's hungry.
I'm so hungry.
I'm also hungry. We're gonna hit up the Highway Hot Grill on the way home. It'll be delicious. And I gotta stop at Starbucks for Michelle. That's it. So, let's keep riding for a bit. You wanna follow camera? What's your name? So we're taking the slowest lift of all time, of course.
Yeah, sucks.
Right now we're heading back over to Granite. We're just gonna carve up some runs on Granite and North and probably head out soon. And yeah, we're gonna continue carving it up. Beautiful day here at Mountain Creek in New Jersey. Also guys, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter. So if you could hit that subscribe button for me, I'd really appreciate it. Yeah. We're getting closer, and yeah.
Oh my God,
smash subscribe.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
Okay, peace out. We're here. I got your picture. Nah.
They're gonna send a snowmobile.
They might. Yeah, the lift has stopped working. So we're chilling in line for who knows how long. We might die. Send help. All right, well, turns out they got the lift running again in like 10 minutes. So we didn't need to be rescued by snowmobiles, Michelle.
Upsetting.
But we're heading up and everything's okay. All right, anyway, let's go snowboarding, yo. Alright guys, we are back at the car. It is 3:30. We had a long day on the mountain today and it was honestly a lot of fun. Michelle, what did you think? What did you think, Michelle?
It was so fun.
What did you think?
Hungry.
She had a waffle experience at Mountain Creek today.
That was really good. I need to wear longer socks next time. And then also I learned today that you need really, really tight bindings.
Oh yeah, Michelle's boots and bindings were both so loose.
They weren't that loose.
They were pretty, like she could move her foot around in both, in her butt, in her boot, and then in her binding.
That's incorrect.
Bro, you could lift your foot. I saw it until I tightened it down.
No.
And then you're like, oh my God, that's so tight. Anyway, that was it for today. Shout out to my boys, Ryan, Darren, and Patrick. It was a super fun time. They met up with me on the mountain.
It's not over yet. We have to get Starbucks.
You'll see her get Starbucks. Be right back. Look, there it is. How is it?
Very good.
Yeah?
I need it to like mix though.
Dan, how's yours?
It's good.
What is it?
It's cold brew.
Nice. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I flipped.